Welcome back. If you have a numeric keyboard, you can use that keyboard to toggle your mic back on and off. It's an easy way to use your keyboard quickly when you want to turn it off in the middle of a dictation. And so what we would do to toggle on and off is to press the plus button. And you can see that the mic turns on and off when we press it. Now, if we don't have the numeric keypad, we are going to want to set that hotkey so that we have one key we can press in order to turn the mic on and off. What we will do is we will go into the Dragon bar. We'll then go to the Tools menu. We'll then go to the Options menu. The Options menu will open up, and then we'll have hotkeys. You'll notice that we have one hotkey, and that's to turn the microphone on or off. And you'll see that the current combination there is to use the number key. Now, what we can do is we can edit this hotkey. Once we edit, we can put in anything that we want that we think is going to be most relevant to the keyboard we're using, or that's going to give us the most comfort while we dictate. So what we can do is we can press the key combination exactly the way we want it so that it will be the hotkey. So for example, if we were to choose Control, then F10, we would then be able to set that as our hotkey. Now you now have all the commands that you need in order to start the basic dictation process. Now obviously what you'll be doing is training Dragon on your voice, as well as learning the commands that you'll be using on a regular basis as you dictate more of your documents and written content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.